In today's tutorial, I'm gonna show you how to fix Instagram will restrict certain activity easily and fast fix it. So all what you wanna do guys to fix this problem is actually so easy. First thing, you have to open the settings on your phone, go to the wireless and networks. Now on this page, you will find the wireless and networks settings. All what you wanna do is go to the airplane mode, enable it, and then disable it. After that, all what you want to do now is just go back, open the Instagram, go to your profile like this, go to the top corner, click on those three lines, click on settings, click on this help option, and now all what you want to do is click on report a problem, click on report a problem without checking, and it will take you to the support contact page, and then you have to send a message into the Instagram support. Don't forget to like, subscribe.